Hello there, welcome back to sallyantiques.co.uk. Just having a quick look at the fine selection of custodian helmets we have in stock. These are called custodian helmets, obviously except for this one, which is a cap. In the police forces in Britain and England and Wales, not Britain and Wales, England and Wales, the custodian helmet such as this is worn. The different designs are purely down to preference of which constabulary they're being used for, and the designers of that constabulary's custodian helmet. Now, they hark back to days of military uniforms, and their job is not to protect the head so much of the policeman, although that is a benefit, keeping the sun out of their eyes, keeping the rainwater off of them, but they're mainly there so that the policeman can be clearly defined in a crowd. So if there's anything going on, you can all see the policeman if he's wearing one of these. And that's the design of them. So there is quite a nice range here, including the hat. The hat would be worn if they're going into a car or somewhere where the helmet is not practical. We also have, just to top it off, we have a very fine old fireman's helmet as well. Interesting shape, isn't it? So anyway, but they're all here, all for you to come and have a look at. Please give us a like, a subscribe and a share, and pop down and see our helmets. Thank you.